Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not Pixverse AI is free. In order to do so, here we are at app.pixverse.ai. And what I can tell you is up at the top right hand corner, you can see here where it says basic and we have 60 credits. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And you can see that for our basic plan, we get 60 daily credits that we can use. And so there is a free version of Pixverse. It is limited. You do only get 60 credits, but that is enough to do some basic functions. So you could see here some of the things that we've been able to do with Pixverse, and the results can be pretty good. You could see for yourself that we have some nice detail here. Some of it can be a little bit wonky. You can see here with this one that it kind of shifts and starts to go backwards for whatever reason. And then this one here, we get some kind of cool stuff going on, but then it kind of gets a little bit lost and the results are a bit wonky, but that has a lot to do with our prompts. That's something that you always want to make sure of with your prompts. If you're not quite getting the results that you're looking for, then there's a good chance that you're going to have to refine your prompts, and you are going to have to test it out a couple of times in order to get the result that you're looking for. This is just kind of the nature of AI. Sometimes you get lucky the first time and you get exactly what you want. Other times you have to try again. So there is a little bit of trial and error involved. So let's just kind of see here exactly what it is that we can do with 60 credits. You could see that we can generate an image and a text image for 30 credits. So really only getting a couple of image generations per day with the credits that they're giving you. And as far as some of the other functions like the lip sync, here it does seem to indicate that it is free to use the lip sync. So I'm not sure about that. Let's go ahead and type something in here. Testing. And so you could see that just by typing in some words, it now says 30 credits. So that seems to be kind of the default when it comes to Pixverse, is any generation that you do is going to cost 30 credits. Let's see here if we try some of the other options here. That also does seem to be 30 credits. So generally speaking, when it comes to Pixverse, yes, there is a free feature. You do get some daily credits that you can use. However, they are quite limited and only amount to a couple of generations, depending on what it is that you're using on their platform. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.